The formation of the solar system. The story of Earth's creation begins over 4.5 billion years ago with the formation of the solar system. Our sun and the planets around it formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust called the solar nebula. The birth of the Earth. As the solar nebula collapsed, it formed a protoplanetary disk, which eventually gave birth to the Earth. At first, the Earth was a ball of molten rock and metal. The formation of the Moon. But the story of Earth's creation does not end there. Around 4.4 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with the Earth, sending debris into space. This debris eventually came together to form the Moon. The evolution of the Earth. Over time, the Earth cooled and solidified, forming the crust, mantle, and core that we know today. This process took millions of years, and during this time, the Earth underwent massive changes, including the formation of oceans, the development of life, and the emergence of continents. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the creation of the Earth. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible events that led to the formation of our planet, and we invite you to explore further and discover more about the world around us. Thank you for